What's up everyone, in this video we'll be showing you a Block Blast glitch tutorial. While you're playing your Block Blast, if you're running out of moves or running out of space, one of the things you can do is to go over to your settings and move the time forward by a few hours. The effect of this will cause the system to think that hours have passed, and this might grant you some extra bonuses or space or opportunities to play some more. Of course, after the game, you would want to go back and set your time to the proper setting. Over time, this glitch might be fixed by Block Blast, so you want to give it a try if it works for you. Also, you need to be careful with the time changes on your device or the effect on the app, as this might cause some unexpected results. However, if it works for you, you can enjoy it until some updates may come which may cancel this glitch. Another glitch you could use on Block Blast is when you're running out of space and the system identifies this, it might give you an opportunity to watch an ad, after which you'll be back on your game with a better set of blocks to use for your game. This will help you to move further if you make the right decision, and you can continue to try to get a higher score. So do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.